General Motors Corporation, the world's largest automaker, has been the global auto industry sales leader since 1931. GM is dedicated to protecting human health, natural resources, and the global environment. This dedication reaches further than compliance with the law to encompass the integration of sound environmental practices into GM business decisions.
General Motors has a strong commitment to the environment, and as part of that is to look at how to reduce our use of natural resources. So we're always looking at ways to use renewable energy. And General Motors is one of the largest users of renewable energy in North America. Things like landfill gas and solar energy are a very important part of our energy portfolio.
Landfills. To most, they are unsightly, odorous mounds of rotting garbage. But to companies like GM, they present opportunities. You see, 50% of the gas emitted from landfills is methane, which can substitute for natural gas or coal in industrial boilers. And GM is using it as an energy source at 7 of its facilities, like this assembly plant in Orion Township, Michigan.
General Motors has a very strong commitment to the environment, and as part of that, we're always looking at ways to reduce our impact on the environment. The use of landfill gas, a renewable resource, is a good way to do that. It's good for the environment and it's good for business.
If unused, the landfill gas is a wasted product and it contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. By using it as a boiler fuel, it's a cost-effective renewable resource for us. And if the landfill is actually close enough to our facilities, we can build a business case to use it as a source of energy.
GM is the largest direct consumer of landfill gas in the country and is well on its way to achieving its goal of 25% energy reduction by year's end.
Landfill gas is used to displace fossil fuel, either natural gas or coal, in our powerhouses, which generate steam, and the steam is used to heat and cool our facilities. The landfill gas is collected here, compressed, and piped over to our powerhouses, where it's used as the boiler fuel to generate the steam.
Using landfill gas as an energy source has several benefits, both environmental and economic. Economically, you're going to see improved local investment, and environmentally, you're looking at reduced greenhouse gas emissions, improved local air quality, and reduced reliance on fossil fuels.
So the garbage goes to the landfill, which produces the methane, which powers the plants, which cuts manufacturing costs while reducing emissions. Think about that the next time your trash goes out.
Landfill gas is a byproduct of a landfill. It's caused by the decomposing of the waste. It's 50% methane, which is a major component of natural gas, and 50% carbon dioxide. If unused, it creates odors in the community, and it has a potential of emitting greenhouse gas emissions. If flared at the landfill, it's a wasted byproduct with no beneficial use other than eliminating the odors. The way General Motors benefits from it is by capturing it and using it as a reliable, renewable resource in our facilities.
The sum of the landfill gas capacity at current GM operations is equivalent to the energy needed to heat over 25,000 households.
Here in the United States, we have 7 facilities using landfill gas, 4 assembly plants, 1 powertrain transmission plant, and 2 service parts operation facilities. And in fact, General Motors is the largest direct consumer of landfill gas in the country, using over 1.6 trillion BTUs per year.
General Motors has a very strong commitment to the environment. We are guided every day by our GM environmental principles. As part of that, we want to make sure we're reducing our use of natural resources. And so looking at renewable resources such as landfill gas and solar energy. And in fact, General Motors will have the largest use of solar energy in a commercial operation in California. We think those are all very important. In addition, we have a number of initiatives at our plants to reduce waste and reduce water usage across all of our plants in General Motors. We also think it's important to work with the community and the education systems to educate the future generations regarding environmental improvement and technology.